Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create a new Trello board, your ultimate guide for 2025. First up, head over to Trello's website. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's a quick and easy process, and it's free. This is crucial because Trello is an account-based platform, and all your boards and lists will be stored under your account. Now that you're logged in, let's get to the main dashboard. Click on the plus button on the right-hand side of the navigation bar. This helps us because it's the gateway to creating anything new on Trello, be it a new board, team, or a business account. Next, select Create Board. A pop-up window will appear. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is setting up a space for your new board. It's prompting you to give it a name and choose a background. So give your board a name that aligns with what you'll be using it for, whether it's a project, an event, or just general task management. The reason we do this is to keep our tasks and projects organized and easily identifiable. You'll also see the option to choose between a personal board or a team board. Choose the one that fits your need. Personal boards are great for individual tasks, while team boards enable collaboration with others. Now that we've done that, click on Create Board, and voila! You've just created your new Trello board. You'll now be taken to your new board where you can start adding lists and cards. This is the heart of Trello. Your lists represent different stages or categories of your tasks, while your cards are the actual tasks. Let me explain why this matters. Trello is a powerful tool for organization and project management. Having a well-structured board can greatly enhance your productivity and efficiency. And there you have it. You've just created a brand new Trello board. Remember, the key to harnessing the power of Trello is to keep your boards organized and up to date. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.